How to add your voice to a Canva presentation. Once on your presentation, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and select share. After selecting share, you're going to tap on see all, and I want you to tap on present and record. From here, you're going to tap on go to recording studio. Once you have done that, you're going to select no camera. Since you don't want to show your face, you only want to record your voice. And you're going to tap on start recording. After selecting start recording, from here you'll be able to go through the different slides of your presentation, and you can read it and you can add your voiceover. After you're finished recording your voiceover, you're going to tap on end recording from the top navigation bar. Keep in mind that you can also pause it if you want, and you can see in the top left hand corner the timer. So we're going to tap on end recording. After selecting end recording, what I want you to do next is select save and exit. You're not going to select download. Instead, you're going to select save and exit. After selecting save and exit, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and select uploads. Then you're going to select audio, and you're going to realize that the audio track that you just recorded has been automatically saved. And you're just going to drag and place it on your timeline. Just like this. After you have added the audio, you can also adjust the audio. For example, you can increase or decrease the volume by tapping on the volume icon from the top navigation bar. You could pull the slider to the right to increase it or pull it to the left to decrease it. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner once more. And from here, you can download your presentation by selecting download, then changing the file type to MP4 video and select download once more. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful and informative.